Etsy is an online e-commerce store where you can find the handmade and vintage items. It is perhaps the most popular online store where the people sell and also they buy. This website gets around 400 million visitors every month. But did you know that Etsy also has an affiliate program, and just by recommending these products that you find are discovered on Etsy to your audience, you can earn commission. And in this video I'm going to exactly show you how you can join the Etsy affiliate program and how you will get paid. You can earn commission for every one of a kind piece you discover and share, and when you sign up to become an Etsy affiliate. So you can just apply it here. Now I'm just going to cover the detail in a short while, but moving down to your favorite finds on this Etsy website onto your blog, and you can also share these links in the YouTube description also, and then when somebody buys these products you would earn a commission. The affiliate community can enjoy the access to exclusive Etsy content, competition, trend reports and more. So joining the Etsy affiliate program is based on the approval, so you need to sign up and then wait for the approval. Once you're approved, their affiliate team will send everything to you that you need to earn the commission from the Etsy. So who all are eligible to apply for the Etsy affiliate program? Almost all of you can apply for the Etsy affiliate program. The only exceptions are mentioned here. Cashback and voucher sites right now are not eligible to join this Etsy affiliate program. So Etsy affiliate support is available in English, French, Italian and German, and Etsy affiliates can earn commission as a percentage of a revenue on qualifying sales that results from the featuring links to Etsy product and Etsy content that you share on your website. So you will get commission for every sale with the exception of tax, delivery, returns and cancellation. The cookies period is 30 days. So as an affiliate, you can earn commission by sharing the Etsy products and content on your third party site, and all qualifying sales will earn commission. The Etsy seller can also join the Etsy affiliate program, and even they can promote their own products as an affiliate. As already covered, that Etsy support affiliates in English, French and German. So apart from the voucher and coupon sites, advertising networks and social media pages are not eligible to become affiliate. However, on YouTube you can promote these. The eligibility criteria for Etsy affiliate is that you must be 18 years and above, and the authorized channel to promote the link is a website, Instagram where you have a minimum of 500 followers with an engagement rate of at least 3%. On the Facebook you must own the created content, and you can also promote on Pinterest, but it must be created with a link to your blog. You can do it on YouTube, TikTok. So there are many other conditions. You can just go on to the affiliate policy for Etsy and you can read it for yourself. Once you become their affiliate, you will have an access to their banners for various categories of the products and themes. You can track links to an Etsy product or a site page. You can have the curated pages to inspire affiliates. You can have the affiliate newsletter, the Etsy blog, and search on Etsy to find new items. You don't have to sign any contract to join their affiliate program, but you have to agree to their terms and conditions, which you can read it here. And should you choose to leave the Etsy program, you can leave it at any time. And similarly, the Etsy also reserves the right to remove you from their program at any time because of any reason. You can join the Etsy affiliate program through the Event network. As on the Event network, you can see here that here is a page where you can join the Etsy affiliate. So how much you would get paid, here is the commission structure. 4% on each qualifying sales except a sale return and sale cancellation. The cookies duration is 30 days, and if you are doing it on an app, then the cookie duration or period is 7 days. So you'll have to sign up for the Event network, and then you have to join the Etsy affiliate program. You can get the further details on the Etsy affiliate program on the FAQ page. So as part of the Event, you will be paid twice a month on the 1st and 15th of every month. And how would you get paid? There are many options available which you can read it here, but the most important is that you can get your fund transferred through the international wire transfer. And how much you can earn through the Etsy affiliate? On the Evan page they say that there is no upper limit. You can earn as much as you promote and as much as you are able to sell. So on the Etsy you can promote the jewelry and accessories, clothing and shoes, home and living, wedding and parties, toys and entertainment, art and collection, and even the digital products like the planners, journals, trackers and logbooks. As you can see here that even these small things you can promote, but they also over a period of time can earn you a lot of money. As you can see that some of these planners are as high as $44 or $50, so you can count that how much you would be able to make. If you want to check out our reviews about the other affiliate programs, you can watch the playlist which will be displayed at the end screen card. Now if you find some value in this video, do give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.